Downloading safely. How to download files from internet safely. Install a spyware or malware detection program such as Windows Defender or McAfee Site Advisor. If you happen to download a file that is unsafe, a program such as this will help identify it and can often remove or quarantine it. Make sure you update your protection program regularly so that it is always able to detect the latest virus and malwares. Use some common sense. If you're browsing through programs to download and one of them has features that make it seem too good to be true, chances are that is a program that claims to seemingly impossible should make you suspicious. Read the user comments. If you are on a website that includes user comments about the files it offers, read them. You'll sometimes find reports of file containing viruses or malwares, just like the screenshot given here. When you find a file that you want to download, first check to make sure that you are on a reputable website. Many malware sites take advantage of users mistyping URLs, just as given examples of YouTube, Google, and Gmail. Check the address bar at the top of your browser window and be sure that the addresses displayed exactly matches the site you want to browse. Pay close attention to the beginning of the addresses, the part between http:// and .com, .org or .edu. If the URL matches the site you expect, you may be safe. After downloading a file, check to see that the items you received is not .exe. This type of file is an executable, meaning a program that will run on your computer. Scan downloaded files for viruses and malwares. Every time you download a file, run a scan using the software you installed in step 1. You can usually scan a file by right-clicking it and choosing the appropriate command from the menu. This takes only a few minutes at most, and if the viruses are detected, they will be quarantined and or deleted. If your antivirus or anti-spam programs warns you that your computer might be infected, run multiple scans and delete viruses found. Caution and tips. Computers that run on open source operating systems like Linux or BSD usually are not prone to viruses, so downloading should be safe. Not a single method can protect you from all unsafe downloads. Malware creators are always devising new ways to fool computer users. Your computer is at risk whenever you download anything from the web. Always proceed with a caution and watch for signs of anything abnormal on your computer. Thank you.